What's good, guys? I'm live here on the street of University of Ibadan to give out free food, proudly sponsored by Beast Cuisine. What's up? You like to play a game with me?
Alright.
So the game is 500 naira or mystery box. Mystery box. What do you think you can find inside this box? iPhone 16.
Bombastic side eye.
Okay. So yeah, let's unbox the mystery box and see what is inside this. Just unwrap it and see what's inside this box.
I should have known. Interesting. Can I take it?
Have a taste of it and give us a review.
Not bad.
Not bad. So on a scale of 1 to 10, how will you rate this food you just tasted now? Okay, so what do you have to say about this big cuisine? What do you have to say about it?
This is my first time trying it. So, well, speaking as the first time now, I'll say the first time. It's alright.
Okay, thank you so much. I appreciate you. A mystery box or 1,000 naira?
Well, considering the fact that I don't know what the mystery box entails, I'll go for the 1,000 now.
1,000 naira. Let me give you the 1K and let's unveil what might be inside the mystery box. So this is 1,000 naira. So let's now unveil the mystery box. Maybe something really might be inside. So cameraman, let's see what's
Let's have a
inside.
look at it.
Actually, I have a well packaged meal here, but unfortunately, it's the 1K.
Unfortunately,
Just look at the 1K.
fortunately, I have a walking with
Mystery box or 500 naira, which one will you go for? So 500 naira was inside the box.
Can I touch the box?
You don't have to. The box. Okay. Let's unbox what might be inside the box. Whatever it is, it belongs to you. Okay. So, cameraman, let's see what's inside the box. So, yeah. Fix and. Oh.
You, they go now, they go.
Wow. It belongs to you.
Oh, sorry. Don't cry.
Wow. So thanks so much, and this might be a lucky day. I'll tell you, my bro. Mystery box or 500 naira.
I'll go for the mystery box. Mystery box, sorry.
Mystery box.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's see what's inside the box.
Food. Oh my god.
Oh my God!
Is it food? Take it out. Unbox it, and just see what's inside. Oh. Yeah. So what do you have to say to this cuisine?
Actually, looking at this food, I know it's something good actually. You know, I just feel like it tastes to be very, very nice. And, yeah.